Thank you. Lawyers for Camp Mystic and families who lost their daughters at the camp last summer were back in a Travis County courtroom today.
The families are pushing to keep their legal fight against camp operators in open court for all to see. 27 camp counselors and campers died when flash flood water swept through the Kerr County camp last summer.
Now, the camp and its owners are facing multiple wrongful death lawsuits, and now a Travis County judge is considering whether the lawsuit should be resolved outside of court.
KVUE's Daniel Perot has been inside the courtroom all day and joins us now live from the courthouse with the latest. Daniel, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. As we speak right now, the lawyers for the families who lost loved ones at Camp Mystic are making their case to Judge Maya Gamble about why they believe that she should issue sanctions against lawyers on Camp Mystic's legal team. Throughout the afternoon, they have been outlining a number of instances where they say that the Camp Mystic lawyers have either been misleading or dishonest towards the court and also intentionally took steps to delay proceedings and make it so it's harder for them to pursue their goal of getting accountability for what happened on those early morning hours of July 4th. Camp Mystic's lawyers say that these lawsuits should be moved to arbitration and out of the public courtroom because of agreements that they say all the parents signed when they registered their daughters to attend Camp Mystic last summer. They included a binding arbitration clause. Attorneys for the families who lost loved ones say that they believe camp leaders waived their right for arbitration with the move they made last month when they withdrew and then refiled an amended motion the night before a scheduled hearing without getting approval from all the attorneys involved. They argue that Camp Mystic's lawyers should have filed a motion for arbitration much earlier in the legal process, but intentionally waited until late March to do so.
They did exactly what the rules forbid them from doing, which is unilaterally resetting the hearing for strategic advantage.
Though I understand that this is an incredibly serious space, I understand that there is a lot here that does not change the legal framework. And the question is whether or not a contract was public. It was.
Camp Mystic and its lawyers argue that they are entitled to arbitration under federal arbitration rules because they are a multi-state operation. They point out that the waiver was signed using a Colorado-based registration platform. However, lawyers for the families argued this is not a multi-state transaction because all the details of this case are only pertinent in Texas, and because the camp is based here in Texas. Judge Gamble has not said when she plans to rule on either the motion to compel arbitration or the motion for sanctions, whether she's going to do something orally this afternoon or wait a little bit, take this all into consideration, then issue a ruling at a later date. Live at the Travis County Courthouse, Daniel Perot, KVUE News.